Ever feel like you're paying for a long day's work with a week's worth of back pain? When you're operating heavy machinery like a backhoe or a skid steer, a worn-out, stiff seat doesn't just make the job miserable, it actually wears down your body and kills your productivity. That's why the MMS Universal Tractor Seat is a total must-have upgrade for your equipment. Designed to fit everything from lawn mowers and forklifts to dozers and telehandlers, this seat brings premium comfort to the toughest job sites with its adjustable armrests, supportive backrest, and integrated safety belt. I recently swapped one of these onto a tractor that had seen better days, and I'm telling you, it's a night and day difference. The suspension and ergonomic support actually make those long 8-hour shifts feel manageable again. It's built rugged to handle the elements, but it feels like sitting in a high-end truck cab. Don't let a beat-up seat ruin your posture or your workday. Click the link in the description to add this to your cart right now and lock in a special promotion. You can even make a direct purchase through the description section to get your gear upgraded today.